Hi everybody, Sanbonani. Welcome to Reality Buzz TV, where we talk about all things reality TV shows and all things reality TV show stars. So listen, you guys. There is a show called the Ma. I- I've been saying the McKennas, but people are saying it's McKenne. I angas, but apparently I'm pronouncing it wrong when I say McKenne. But anyways, you guys. So the show, we are now in episode 4, if I'm not mistaken, and the main cast, Lapayana is Ula Toya, the actress and a singer who recently trended because of her relationship with Ulebo. Latoya lies. Now, you guys, we were all shocked to see who her baby daddy is. But the thing is, we had seen her baby daddy on their reality show, and now they are fighting in real life. And let me tell you something, this man is saying a lot, but I could not even concentrate on what he is saying because I'm like, Latoya, Latoya, Latoya. How many times do I have to say Lat? Because what do you mean this is your baby daddy? What do you mean this is your baby daddy? Like angazi guys, ek Viet. Apparently, you guys now they are fighting because, as we all know, Latoya doesn't stay long in relationships. But if she can get a baby from a relationship, she will get a baby from a relationship. So now their relationship has expired. What is really shocking for me is how this man is talking about how he basically wasn't really making money because even money for groceries, he would have to ask for that money from Latoya, I guess, because they did a show together. He believes that he should have been paid. But I'm thinking, besides the shows, what are you doing? And they said on the show that they planned to have a baby. Latoya said that her and this man planned for that baby. How the hell do you plan for a baby when it looks like both of you don't have stable jobs? I cannot help but judge Latoya. I cannot help but judge Latoya. Number one, because this guy is just like, what do you mean? What do you mean this is your baby daddy? Okay, that's one. Number two, Ukoko was right. The guy is broke. And he ain't even trying, okay? Akanalo netoho, itohonyana. Akanalo. Kanjani manje? On top of that, he's taking protection orders against Latoya. How? And then he says he wants his baby because Latoya is running away with his baby. The drama in Latoya's life is like, I don't know, you guys. It's generations. Her life is the real generations. Anyways, you guys, let me just put this video here so that you can hear what he's talking about. I just can't get over the fact that Latoya McKenna has chosen this man as a baby daddy. He's definitely not easy on the eye, but anyway, akuyona bayam leyo. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Thokozani bokhokona bomkhulu makhomba manomhlaba yimi umahlala entabeni ubaba engane kaLathoya Magene uvusa amazulu ngilibele nyamlandelela nje babaleka ngiphume emakhodi nawo amaphepha Lathoya yekubaleka I want to save you ngoba sona ama convert the court wants you ukuthi sile ngengane asana indaba eziningi kumele sizenze lento ukuthi ubaleka ayisizi and futhi ngikwenzele ne protection order ukuthi uphizwe nobaleka ngengane yami and then uLathoya uhambile ku social media ngegama lami ngimyeka namhlanje kusasa uye court uyongenzela I protection order ukuthi ngakhulumi ngaye e social media uLathoya Magene beka ngivala ukuthi ingakhiphi izindaba noma izinto bekazenza lapha endlini nalezi bengiyibona uLathoya Magene yonke lento la yenza ukuthi abalike ngane yami stop it iyeke ngifuna ingane yami ngifuna ukuyibona nawo amaphepha amaphoyisa akufuna court akufuna magistrate akufuna ne protection order ikhona phezulu kwakho Lathoya ubaba wengane udinga ingane yakhe mphakathi ngicela nikhulume noLathoya nalabo eniphuza nanidakwa naye nimtsheleni ukuthi baba kufuna ingane nazi izinto akudlalwa la Lathoya yeka lento lo yenzayo nalezo zenzi nalezo jwayele ukuzenza ngikhathele ngifuna ingane yami ngikhumbulile nalento ukuthi ngistop ukuthi ngikhulume ku social media ukuthi wena uyokhuluma lento lezo zikhulumayo ngami to protect your shit le uyenzayo Lathoya I want my child. I want to see my child. I don't care about you. Ungahamba nalawo hamba nabo. Hamba juba. Bayucutha phambili. Hayi ingane ngamthethwa. Wanyamboza. Ngifuna ingane yami. Na amaphepha. Amaphoyisa akufuni. Ikhotha akufuni. Lathoya. Letha ingane yami. Lathoya. Mele ngikuthole. Thank you South Africa. Mangilibele ngihlezi. Ziningi into ehlezi zenzeke emhlabeni abantu bazenza noma beyikhuluma ngoba bazwa abanye abantu because of bafuna ukuziprotecta through into bona bezenza noma beyikhuluma endabeni yengane yami ungumuntu ngizimisele nginayo mama khona ngaze ngakhuluma naye ubaba wakhe as a co-friend futhi kuba bazala manje kimi phansi kwekhala kaMagene ngavuma ukuthi vele mina ngifuna ukwenza kanje ngengane ngibuye ngizohlawula hambe ngiyithi senzeni into besivumelene ngazo lezo it happened njoba ngizobatholela njoba bengisebenza ngenze Lathoya ezinye izinto naye kanjalo lapha eChartini wafika isikhathi ukuthi ngibahlanganisa nomunye ugogo ngomaziyo salungiswa okunye bokumele mina bengeke ngikwazi ngoba sengumkhwenyana bese ngumuntu ozoshada kwaMagene so ayikhulumi lo msebenzi lo ngikuphathe mina ngalendlela engazi isinto ngakhona I had ukuthi ngihambe impela ke ngibuyele emuva ngolanda abantu engibazi bazi izinto zangempela babathatha ke bayohlahla bacala ngabathumela babatshena bawenza kumsebenzi zabuya kithi unyana idalwa zakithi nesakubo ukuthi kumele ngilungisele ingane kumele ngenzeni kepha bayabona ukuthi vele ngiyimisele kusho abantu abadala vele bengiyimisele ngoba imali bese sikwazi ukuthi ingene endlini ngoba beyingena kuyena imali umama every month mina bengumuntu ocela imali ngoba ngeke amasama ama contracts ngingasayina futhi leyo gcina ngisayina under ukuthi zonke imali mazwele inganini njoba kudlala lento TV ngingatholi nix send angazi ukuthi kuyenzakalani la khona ngoba besine file esifaka into zethu lapha ifile la khona lukuyene namanje lazo zinto lezo ezithu okumele ukuthi siphumelele empilweni yethu wafika isigaba sokuthi manje ugogo lo ngikhuluma ngaye amagama awabiziwa ngisho abantu wamenzela umntwana ngoba busekhona le ndaba ebala ukumele lilungiswa nikezwe izinto ngendlela asangalandela imigomo nemibandela yakhona wayenza ke lokukhipita kwakhe busy afuna ukuthi mina ngibambe lezi zinto ngimtshela ukuthi ngikujenile ngizokubamba kwaba isinqumo siphuma kumina ngithi kusasa nje ngiyavuka ngiyalapha ekhaya ngiyobatshena wathi manje how much you gonna need because mina imali bengiyicela ngoba ingangeni kumina ngoba bengakabi ne-account angisho mangifuna 2000 ngiyacela 1000 ngiyacela but ngalo suku ngokumele ngithenge negroza nani ngathi okay ngineze imali ithizeni futhi namuhla ngiyagibela ngiyale wacanga ngiyahla ngavuka vele impela umuntu yakhona ngamshiya wayenze into engingaunderstand akaza ayenze engifonela kaningi endleleni ngisaya elokishini ngiyoqala endumbeni yami ukuthi ngihambe ngiye lapha khabo baba ukuthi ngiyophahla ngitshela abantu abadala lebelafoni noma ngisendumbeni ngiphahla ikhulume lento afone vele ngithi ya khona ukushamanzi la angisahambi besho abantu abadala ukuthi hayi cha hlala phansi kancane khona okuzovela sizokutshela ukuthi uphume kanjani hayi ngempela ngahlala ngangayi ngaphuma ngalendlela engiphuma ngayo wafona ngithi kuyena ukuphi athi usendlini guess what kuyenzakalani bathi abantu abaphuma kanje ngaphuma mangifona mina ke lapho ngimbuza kuphi athi hayi ngigeza izitsha ngenzani endlini manje uhambo lokuthi ngiyolungisela ingane yami lwenzani seliyaphambana ngigada okunye manje ekumele ukuthi kungamelanga ukuthi kwenzeke noma ngukugade kula ke ngizomfica bayomfaka kwenye iBnB ahamba namanye amadoda nabafazi ngemoto bangena shaqa manje izinto eziningi zahamba ke manje zamosheka kusuka lapho ngalibele ngimbuza ngendaba engane elibele lapha kuleyo BnB alibelwe ngi-answer ngiya lapha yana ngiyezwa ziyadumela amagate amakhulu